Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 44. Which of the following statements about chromosomes is correct? A. All the chromosomes of a species are the same in shape. B. The number present in a species is constant. C. They are neatly arranged in the cytoplasm. D. They bear ribosomes on their outer membranes. So the conversation here is about chromosomes. What are chromosomes in the first place? Now, chromosomes are thread-like structures located within the nucleus of both plant and animal cells. Now, the chromosomes contain DNA, which are responsible for gene transmission of genes. So you can say that chromosomes are like vehicles that contain the genetic material, DNA. So that contain the material responsible for transmission of genes and traits. Now, when looking at the characteristics of chromosomes, let's look at what is correct about the characteristics of chromosomes. Now, option A says all the chromosomes of a species are the same in shape. Now, this statement is false. Every chromosome chromosomes that of the same species are likely to have different shape. In fact, chromosomes that contain genes for different traits are usually different in terms of shape and structure. So option A is incorrect. Now, option B says the number present in a species is constant. Now, this is actually correct. The number of chromosomes in a particular species is constant, always constant, and peculiar for that species. So for example, in humans you have 46 chromosomes. In dogs you have 78 chromosomes. In lions you have 38 chromosomes. So that number of chromosomes is specific for that particular species, and if there is any alteration in the number, it brings about abnormality in one trait or the other. So the number of chromosomes in a species is always constant. So option C says neatly arranged in the cytoplasm, which is also incorrect, and D says this is incorrect because of course we have established the fact that the chromosomes are contained within the nucleus and not the cytoplasm. And option D says they bear ribosomes on their outer membranes. This is also incorrect. So as we have rightly established, the number present in a species is constant is the correct answer to this question about chromosomes. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.